And hello, it's me again. It's Josie. Another unique recipe I prepared for you today. It's called Yaki Udon or Japanese stir-fry udon noodle that is super quick and easy recipe under 20 minutes. For this recipe, I use shrimps, but feel free to use your favorite meats such as pork, beef, or chicken. Please hit and subscribe for more great recipes. So stay tuned and let's start cooking. So here are ingredients. I would like to mention that for those of you who are not familiar with Japanese noodles, we are using the udon noodles, and this is made of wheat flour and is used in Japanese cuisine. These udon noodles, you can usually find this in Oriental store in the frozen section, okay? So also the vegetable, you can also use whatever vegetable you want. You can use mushroom, you can use carrots, you can use whatever vegetable you have on hand, you can use it. But at this moment, this is what I have. I have Napa cabbage and I slice it like almost like shredded texture. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna boil the water and we're going to cook our noodles, and then from there we're gonna make our yaki udon sauce. And so we're all set. Our noodles is done, shrimp is done, our udon sauce is ready. But before we continue, please hit the subscribe and like button if you find any value so far. Okay, let's start cooking. We're all done. Japanese Yaki Udon stir-fry noodles. And this is the best part I like. So we're going to try this. Oh my gosh, look at that, how long that is. Please hit and subscribe though. Alright? Alright, ready? So good, it's chewy, sweet, and spicy. So, I'll see you in my next video. Ta-ta for now.